All right. What's going on, tycoons? What is up, trader? Today we're going to look at the BAND token. Okay, this is BAND protocol, ticker symbol BAND. As always, we're looking at the daily chart. Okay, I highly recommend starting off on some higher time frames before you really try to break down lower time frames. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to take the Fibonacci tool. All right, so that's actually going to be this tool over here, and look at these three numbers right here, the 61.8, the 50%, and the 38.2. These are the three most common retracement levels. And so what this means is that nothing moves in a direct line down or a straight line up, right? It's going to make a move to the downside or make a move to the upside, retrace and continue that trend, or you're going to break through your major retracement levels, right? So if you break through these levels, then you have the possibility of starting a reversal, right? So there's two levels or two sets that we're really paying close attention to. They're going to be the red ones or the pink ones right here to the upside, and then these green ones right here to the downside, right? So what we're doing is we're measuring, swing highs down to swing lows. And so what we're seeing, right, basically we're looking to see if this is basically just one big move to the downside and then retracement and then continuation to the downside, right? Or possibly we could be getting a reversal if we break through these three key levels, right? So we have this move to the upside, then a retracement, right? And if we hold these levels, we have the possibility of continuing up higher, hitting our breakout level and hitting some of the bullish price targets above to the upside. So to really break it down and understand what's going on, we have just a nice little example here of it in the past, right? And so when you look at things, they're going to make these moves to the downside, and you're going to get a retracement after these large moves, right? And a lot of times these are called bear market rallies, and it fakes a lot of people out, right? But ultimately, we have this big downtrend here. We end up retracing, right? We get this massive, massive pop, and band protocol really just exploded here recently. Back in the time, let's see when this was. This was in November. Okay, early November. This thing just had a massive explosion, but it ended up ultimately coming up to the 50% retracement level, right near the 61.8. Okay, right in this little range right here, getting rejected after the sharp move to the downside. Right, and now we're looking to see this part right here if this is going to be all the way down and extend this move, or if we end up finding support, okay, we have the possibility of breaking through, right? And so I have the major levels that we're watching first right here. And then, above there, we really just have this former resistance at 3.3067. And then this is going to be our breakout level, right? Right above 3.666, right? So if we just zoom in some more, now that we understand how the process is working, we're looking for two paths on the retracement. Okay, so I'll actually take out the path tool real quick, and we'll go ahead and show you guys what we're looking at. So we're looking to see, basically, is this going to be kind of like a three-wave move to the downside? All right. Or is this going to be a, three-wave move to the upside, right? So we have boom, boom, and boom, and take us possibly up to our breakout levels. If that happens, then I definitely think we could come out. We just really have to get above 2.775. If we get above there, I think there's a high likelihood that we could head up to 3.666, but we really have to break past 3.3. Okay. 3.3 is an area where we got rejected here in the past a couple times. So we're going to monitor that and just keep a close eye on it. Okay. So again, this is what it's looking like. These are our possible scenarios. Okay. And I'll go over the levels down here to the downside. So we're looking to see if this is a downward move. We rejected right here at 2.7753. That's our 61.8 retracement level. Okay. And we're starting the downtrend. All right. But where we're finding support at is currently the 61.8 support level. So we have our 61.8 resistance level at 2.77, and we got our 61.8 support level at 1.88. Those two are really going to be the main levels to watch, right? Everything kind of in between here is going to be a noise. And what I like to call, like, no man's land, right? I'm not really looking to enter into any, trades off in these positions. Now, that doesn't mean that you can't and that you can't scalp these moves and try to play level to level, right? And just, either ride from one level to the next or short one level to the next to the downside. That's perfectly fine. But really, 1.88 and 2.77 are going to be the key levels to watch. Once you get above 2.7, again, we have 3.66, and below 1.88, we could be coming back down to test 1.32. Now, once we get to those levels, I'll probably do another video. But for right now, this is basically what I'm saying. We're either doing a, retracement to the downside, or we possibly could be trying to get a reversal, but we're not going to get that reversal really until we get above 2.77 and 3.66. So that's it for today's video. This actually was a viewer request. So if you want to see your ticker or your cryptocurrency in the next video, all you have to do is comment down below and I'll be happy to do that for you guys. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel as well.